Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys an example of my Nearpod lesson and how I made it. This is by a good margin the most useful tool I've used so far in this whole assignment. As you can see, I've made a little lesson. It starts about the Battle of Hastings. It starts off with some slides. I have a little video that I've cut down to just start at the right time, right when the battle starts. And then I've got another thing about the tapestry of Bayeux, which is a major primary source for the Battle of Hastings. And then I've got this web link that links directly to a basically 3D picture of the tapestry of Bayeux. They can zoom in, look all around it. And then here is a little kind of panoramic field trip that I put in. It takes you right to where the Battle of Hastings is taking place. And I was going to add on a quiz at the end. That seems very interesting. I was going to make a 5-question quiz right here. I'll do that once I finish recording. I just wanted to show how it would go. Back up out of here. And yeah, that's about it. I think it's going to be a really good lesson. Thank you very much.